So we're going to show you how to order items in a restaurant menu. So we create our page and add our restaurant menu, whichever configuration we want. And leave order by default. And now you see our restaurant menus, and if we go to menu items and click the all category, you can see we can now order them. So you can click here or order them by drag and drop, and now when we refresh you'll see our new order. And of course we can order them by categories. So for example, we add a restaurant menu. Let's say this skin, and yeah, and we click a single category, and we can change the number of items here. So now you'll see our new menu, which is only from this category, meat, and it's the same thing. If you want to order them, we can just drag and drop. Now when we refresh, you'll see the no description item is on top, like we placed it.